I'm making something really delicious.
Here's what you need: salt, onion powder, garlic powder, nature seasoning, accent, ooh, Taco Bell seasoning mix, ooh, oh, Sloppy Joe sauce, red kidney beans. Listen, we also are doing some sugar and ground beef, 80% lean, sweet onion, and medium cheddar. All right, so go ahead and add everything into the bowl. Some onions there. Yes, I'll go ahead and add our seasonings. Go ahead, keep dashing, keep dashing. There it is, perfect. There's the sugar, yummy. All right, now the Sloppy Joe sauce. Oh, you didn't know I was gonna do that, did you? Oh yeah, this is gonna be so good. Mix, 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 mix. Ooh, look at that, looking so beautiful and pretty. Mix, mix, mix. Keep going. Okay, there it is. We're done. Now let's go ahead and cook the ground beef right on the stove. Add your seasonings. There it is. Keep going. Keep going. Yummy, delicious. Okay, now it's time for the taco seasoning by Taco Bell. Yummy. Add that, and now it's time to cook the ground beef. Look at that, looking so beautiful. Do you smell it? Smell it from where you are. Okay, there it is, just cooking nicely. Now it's all done. Put it with the rest of what we have already mixed, and mix, 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 mix some more. Keep mixing. Okay, now it's time to put it into the crock pot. There it is, lovely, beautiful. All right, put the lid on. Oh, get on there. Okay, perfect. Turning on high. There it is. Oh, it's done. Mix and mix and mix. Look at that. Oh, add the cheese. Yes, nice and hot. The cheese is on top. Okay, and now we're going to do what? Cover it. Voila! Look at the melted cheese. And there it is. There's your plate. There's your delicious chili. Look at that chili. So mouth-watering. Oh, yes, you do have a chili dog, too. Go ahead. Don't you want to take a bite? Look at that luxurious cheese and delicious, hot, mouth-watering chili, full of flavor, absolutely bursting with flavor. But guess what? Let's add sour cream. Oh my gosh. Now you're in heaven. You have sour cream on your chili dog. Yummy.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow. I will see you next time.